Franklin coming over to play, growing a little every day. Here he comes with all his friends. They've got stories, got time to spend with you. Hey, it's Franklin coming to your house. Hey, it's Franklin coming to my house. Hey, it's Franklin.
Mr. Fix-It Franklin. Franklin could count by twos and tie his shoes. He could fix a torn page with tape, and he could fix himself a snack. But one day, Franklin wanted to fix something with real tools.
Oh, this bolt is really rusted on.
Are you sure there's nothing I can do to help you, Dad?
I appreciate the offer, Franklin, but there's only enough room for one repair turtle on this job.
Do you have anything that needs fixing, Goldie? Hey, that's not the right time. Oh, no. Hey, now I've got something to fix too, Goldie. I can't get this thing back together. Goldie, why didn't you tell me not to do this?
Is everything okay, Franklin?
No, everything's in pieces.
Why did you take your clock apart?
I was trying to fix it.
With a hammer?
I wasn't using it for hitting. I was using the part you pull out nails with to get the hands off.
So, did you learn anything?
Yes, I learned that I don't know how to fix anything.
You did a good job fixing your pirate book with tape.
I know, Mom, but I want to fix something with tools.
Well, maybe with a little training, you could help me get caught up with some repairs around the house.
Really? That'd be great!
Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Remember?
Oh, yeah. I've got to turn it the other way.
Right. Or should I say, righty-tighty?
Hey, look! I did it! It's not dripping anymore.
Very good, Franklin.
Yes, you're getting to be a real Mr. Fix-It.
Really? Thanks! I'll get right to work on that squeaky washing machine.
Whoa, hold on.
What?
You haven't got quite enough experience for that yet.
Will I have enough experience tomorrow?
You've fixed a few simple things, so you're off to a good start. You've got about this much experience. Fixing a washing machine takes this much experience.
Oh, can you give me some things to fix that are about this long?
Maybe later this afternoon we could take a look around for some more repair jobs. Right now, I've got to get that grass cut. It's getting this long.
Hi, Bear.
Oh, hi, Franklin.
What's wrong with your bike?
I was on my way to the pond to help Snail, and my wheels started getting wobbly.
It looks to me like a goosey problem. No, that's not it. Now, where's my wrench?
Where'd you get those, Franklin?
My dad, he says I'm a real Mr. Fix-It.
Gee, I didn't know that.
Well, it didn't just happen all of a sudden. I had to get some experience first.
And you know how to fix something like this?
Oh, sure. I just fixed a loose wheel this morning.
Great!
No, that can't be right. These bumpy ones must go on first. Actually, maybe it doesn't really matter.
Did the wheel you fixed this morning stay on okay?
Of course. Don't worry, Bear. You're talking to Mr. Fix-It.
Ooh.
Oops. Righty-tighty.
Huh? Hey, Franklin! It's not wobbly like it was.
I know. I fixed it.
Thanks, Franklin.
You're welcome. What are you doing, Snail?
Oh, hi, Franklin. I'm getting a load of sand for my new sandbox. Well, actually, it's not a sandbox yet. Right now, it's just a box. Bear is going to tow me home behind his bike.
Sorry it took me so long to get here, Snail. I had something wrong with my wheel, but Franklin fixed it for me.
Really? Could you fix my dump truck, too?
Sure. What's wrong with it?
It won't dump.
Whoa, Snail!
Oh,
Are you all right?
oh, yeah. I'm fine, I think.
Well, we don't want that to happen again.
Wow, are those real tools?
They're real, all right. He's Mr. Fix-It.
Ta-da!
Hey, it works!
Your problem was an unsprung spring, Snail. I saw it happen to a clock I was working on once.
Gee, Franklin, you sure know a lot about fixing things.
Well, I have quite a bit of experience, you know. Probably this much.
Wow.
That's a lot.
I'll just give a few extra cranks on this spring in case you ever want to dump heavy things. There you go, Snail. That truck could dump a boulder now.
Gee, thanks, Franklin. Why do you have to do this all the time? Will you just stand up? No.
Are you having some trouble with your painting stand, Beaver?
It's called an easel, and yes, I'm having trouble with it.
Well, you're in luck, because Mr. Fix-It is here.
Mr. Who? I don't see anyone except Bear and Snail.
Me, I'm Mr. Fix-It.
What do you know about fixing things?
Lots. He fixed my bike.
And he fixed my dump truck, too. Well, if you can fix that easel, I'll be very impressed.
Excuse me, Beaver. I've got work to do.
A little too complicated for you, Mr. Fix-It.
Whew, that's the toughest easel I've ever worked on. But I fixed it.
You did? Wow! Thanks, Franklin.
We told you he was good.
He's Mr. Fix-It.
Well, my work is done here. Dad has some repair jobs for me to do at home. You know how it is. He needs help, and I've got lots of experience. See you later, guys.
Bye, Franklin.
See you later. Bye. Yahoo! Go faster, Bear.
No way. If you want to go faster, pass me. Hey, my wheel is wobbly.
Ah! Oh, no!
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. I'm ready to tackle some big jobs now.
Great. How about peeling carrots? I'll teach you how to use this tool.
Dad, I'm talking about big repair jobs. I've got lots and lots of experience now.
Oh?
Really?
Yeah, I've been fixing things all afternoon. I fixed the wobbly wheel on Bear's bike and made Snail's dump truck dump, and I fixed Beaver's easel so it would stand up all by itself.
It sounds like you've had a busy day.
That's for sure. This morning I had this much experience, and now I have... Oh, I'll get it.
Hi, Franklin.
What happened?
It all started when you didn't fix Bear's wheel the right way. And it all ended in a jar of blue paint.
Oh, sorry, guys. I thought I knew what I was doing. I guess I was wrong. I'm not Mr. Fix-It. I'm Mr. Wreck-It.
Well, you were doing the best you knew how.
Yeah, and no one can ask for more than that. Except maybe that you do it the right way next time.
You mean you'd let me fix things for you again? After everything that's happened?
Sure, because now you know how not to do it.
You're right, Bear. A large part of gaining experience is learning from your mistakes.
Yes, and learning not to make the same mistakes again.
Yeah, one trip like that is enough for me.
Dad, have you got time to help me refix a few things?
I think I could work that into my schedule.
Good. Now could someone get this thing off me? I feel like a walking sandwich.
Franklin has the hiccups. Franklin could count by twos and tie his shoes. He liked playing soccer, and he had fun playing chess, too. But one day, Franklin was too worried to enjoy playing games.
Mr. Owl,
Yes, Rabbit?
how many squares can the horse move again?
The horse is called a knight, and it can move 3 squares in an L shape.
There sure are a lot of different moves to remember.
That's for sure. And a lot of different names to remember, too. I get my brooks mixed up with my ponds.
I believe you mean rooks and pawns, Goose.
Oh, yeah, that's what I mean.
I think this game is kind of hard, too.
I think chess is really fun. I like pretending I'm the coach and this is my team. Come on, pawns, work together, work together. Bishop, get up there and block the queen. Let's hustle.
Excuse me, I'm trying to concentrate.
Oops, sorry, Beaver.
No. Mr. Owl, I can't move anywhere. Franklin can capture my king no matter what I do.
You know what that means.
Checkmate.
Good game, Franklin.
Yes, well done.
You've defeated everyone in the class, Franklin.
Yeah, who are you going to play against now?
I know
Who?
the chess champion from Cedar Brook School. That's who.
Really?
Yes, right here, tomorrow.
Way to go!
All right, Franklin!
I can't wait till tomorrow's chess match.
You'd better practice, Franklin. That's right. The Cedar Brook champion is probably really good.
Huh?
Franklin doesn't have to worry because he's really, really good.
And tomorrow he's gonna beat the socks off the champion from Cedar Brook and show everyone that our school is the best.
And our village is the best.
That's right. Franklin will show them.
Excuse me.
I know what cures hiccups. I'll give you a big scare.
Try holding your breath.
Hey, it worked. Thanks, Snail.
You're welcome, Franklin. Bye.
Goodbye!
See you tomorrow.
See ya. Do you want to come to my house and help me practice, Bear?
Okay. The hiccups are back?
Yeah, I thought I got rid of them.
I know. Let's run to your house and make a peanut butter sandwich.
Does that cure the hiccups?
I don't know. I'm just hungry. Come on.
Wait up, Bear!
Why don't you have a drink of water or something?
I did. Twice. Gee, Bear, is that the best move you can make?
Well, it's hard to concentrate when you're hiccuping all the time.
There goes another of your pawns. You're going to have to try harder than that, Bear.
What do you mean? I am trying hard.
I just mean you have to play like you're the best from another school, so I can practice.
Well, I'm not the best from another school. Gee, Franklin, we used to have fun playing chess. I'm going home.
Wait, Bear! What if I give you my knights and bishops?
No, thanks.
What if we arm wrestle? That's fun! Bear! Bear! Well, at least those hiccups are gone. Oh, no. I can't believe I didn't see that. What was I thinking about?
Don't be so hard on yourself, Franklin. You're playing well.
If I were playing well, Granny, I would have noticed my rook being cornered. The match is tomorrow. There's not enough time to practice. There just isn't.
Now, you'll do just fine. I know you will. Would you like to take a break? Have a little snack? A big glass of milk might even cure those hiccups.
Do you think so? Hey, my hiccups are gone again, Granny.
That's odd, how they start and stop that way.
Yes, it is. Uh-oh.
That's interesting.
What is?
Are your hiccups gone again?
Gee, I think they are, Granny. That's weird.
It seems that whenever you see checks, you start hiccuping.
Really? Why?
Because they remind you of chess. You're so anxious about this chess match that it's giving you the hiccups.
Well, I know one thing for sure. I don't have fun playing chess the way I used to.
You've got to remember that chess is a game, Franklin. Games are meant to be fun.
But this game is important. If I don't win, I'll let the whole class down.
Oh, you won't let anyone down. They're your friends, Franklin. They'll like you whether you win or lose.
Franklin! What square should I move to next?
I don't know.
If I move over there, will a knight get me?
I'm not sure.
Tell us where to move, Franklin. We're all counting on you.
Yeah, the whole village is counting on you.
Oh.
Sorry I got mad yesterday, Franklin.
That's okay, Bear. I'm sorry about the way I was acting, too.
Are you nervous about the match?
Yeah, a little.
Don't worry, you'll be great.
Thanks, Bear.
Hi, Franklin. Hi, Franklin. Your opponent's not here yet.
I wonder what he'll be like.
Or she. It could be a she.
Well, whoever it is, Franklin will show them who's boss.
Yeah, Franklin will win for sure. Are you ready, Franklin?
Yeah, I guess so.
Look, Franklin.
Ta-da!
That's wonderful. Good work, boys.
Gee, thanks a lot, guys.
Here we go again.
Why don't you go out and get a drink of water, Franklin? Our visitors will be here any minute. Welcome, welcome. Come right in.
Oh, they're here. Are you all right?
I've got a stomach ache.
Is it because of something you ate?
No, I've had it ever since my teacher told me I was playing chess against the champion of this school.
Really?
Yeah, and all my friends are expecting me to win. What if I don't? I just found out my opponent is the best in the world.
The best in the world? Who told you that?
Some students that go to this school.
Huh, those guys. I'm not the best in the world.
You're Franklin?
Yeah, and I'm not what you think. I just like playing chess. Or I used to anyway, before I started worrying about today's game.
I used to like playing chess too. Now it just makes my stomach hurt.
I keep getting the hiccups.
The hiccups?
Yep. Every time I see something checkered, I start hiccuping. It drove my best friend crazy.
That's funny. I guess this big game has made us both nervous.
Let's try to forget about everyone else and just play for fun.
Yeah, I like that idea. Let's do that.
How's your stomach feeling?
Fine now.
Marmot, we can start whenever you're ready.
Thanks, Mr. Wolverine. I'm ready to play. How about you, Franklin?
Huh. I don't have the hiccups anymore, so I guess I'm ready too.
Then let's go have fun.